This video is to demo the visual joystick, which is now a legal way to control your robot during FRC autonomous mode. When you start the program, you'll get this window asking for your team number. Team 3710 for me. It'll then start your laptop's webcam and open up a bunch of windows. So there's my face inside a set of axes. I also get two calibration windows. Calibrate a button vision target and a joystick vision target. So I'm going to start by calibrating a joystick vision target with this bright yellow box. I've got two sliders here for the hue spectrum, a maximum and minimum value. We want to sandwich the target in between those. And I've got a noise filter, which I'll get to in a second. So let me go ahead and find yellow on the spectrum here. Just yellow. I want to sandwich it in as tight as I can get away with. You can see that it's got my shirt a little bit, and that's okay, because when I crank up the noise filter, everything that's not a solid blob should go away. Alright, there we go. That is one vision target acting as an X and Y joystick. This is a little laggier than I like. My screen capture software is eating CPU cycles. Normally it's faster than this. Okay, let me calibrate a second target to act as the buttons. I've got a red stress ball here. So let me again find red on the hue spectrum. Go. Sandwich it in. Fortunately, my skin is quite red, so this is going to be a bit tricky. Might be good enough. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. So now with my two vision targets, I've got an X and Y joystick, and also the ability to press buttons. Button 3, button 4, button 1, button 2. All that information is being sent to the CRIO to use however you want. Also, I should mention that all the parameter values from the sliders get saved to a file, so they will persist between runs of the program. You should be able to set them once and forget them. That said, you should always recalibrate any vision parameters when you get to the venue, because targets always look different under different lighting conditions. Good luck, and see you at the competition.